So we're gonna do a quick test rip on the custom 12, the LC slipper. Put the 18 tooth pinion in there. Got the gearing. One of the guys noticed that my teeth might have been off, and they were. The one was not tight on the bottom, so it was meshing a little. So and I switched to the 18. My 17 is in one of my other rigs, so that's the smallest one I got. So we'll give this one a whirl, see how it does. I'm just gonna set the camera down, so it's gonna be kind of crappy footage. Oh, and then my finger's in the way. Let me try a little one-handed. Not sure how good this battery is. I'm not even touching it. I'm not sure what kV this motor is. It's the one that comes with the XLS 650. I want to say it's 5200. I could be wrong. It could be lower. My wing torque. Look at the camera, see if you can see anything. Not much. Not much. Let's get a better angle. I don't have no tripod or nothing, so this is going to be purely a couple different builds, but the ESC is for this guy. This is just like the old cheapy combo set from like Hobby Fan or Hobby King. I think it's Hobby King. Yeah, I'm not gassing or anything. And I need to mow. Nothing's falling apart yet, that's a plus. And the steering's a little wonky. I lost it probably from the last video. Tomorrow I should get the bulk of my parts in from General C for 2 builds, plus this. So we'll have 3 more running. Not bad.